Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x800705b4 in your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now here's what we have to do. First of all, check the internet connection, whether it's working or not. So go to fast.com and hit enter. Check the internet connection speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then move on to the next solution, which is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the start button and then you can select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to reset Windows Update components. And how will we do that? So we have a script for this. Okay, all we need to do is copy the script and search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator and paste the script here. It will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.